What is up, Instagram or YouTube? You're probably wondering why I'm looking so rough on camera right now with my hair all curly like this, and I can shake it and do all that stuff. I don't want to cut my hair. I don't want to, I don't want to do anything really to my hair. I don't want to cut it. I don't want to take it off. And somebody recommended it to me the other day. Actually, it was the homie Darren Kane. He recommended, hey Sean, maybe you should start growing out dreads. I was thinking about doing it for a while. I just didn't really know the whole process on how to really do it. So I'm embarking on a new hair journey. I will be growing out dreads. For how long, I don't know, because of situations in life, trying to look for a new job maybe, or just situations in life, period. People kind of, I don't know, really kind of look at you crazy when you got dreads and stuff and your hair looking crazy like it is right now. But decided to take on this journey because it's something I've never done before. I've had cornrows, I've had braids. I've done like all that stuff already, so I didn't really want to do that again. So the whole dread, journey is something that I might be able to kind of pull off, but it just takes a lot of like watching YouTube videos and learning different techniques. And I don't know whether to really freeform the dreads or do it with the sponge as I got right here. I picked this up the other day off of Amazon. So I really don't know really what to do. I've been watching a lot of Gunford the Great. He's a very good YouTuber that talks about how to develop like dreadlocks and how to maintain them and how to get all that stuff to form and all that. So I've been watching a lot of him the last like week. Probably gonna end up watching a lot more of his videos because he just puts out great content anyway. It's just a whole new journey, man. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to do it. I don't even really know if the sponge is really gonna work on my hair because my hair is super long. And you can kind of see it form a little bit as curly as my hair is, and I look crazy. This happens every time I wash my hair, it just curls up and coils up. But I don't know what's really gonna happen on my dread journey. I might end up having them and then end up washing them out. I might end up getting them and then end up like losing my hair if I don't maintain them like I need to. But man, it's gonna be an interesting journey. I told my fiance about it and she was kind of like, she wasn't really too like all for it because of how I am with the whole beard situation, all the beard oils and stuff. I think she's afraid that I might accumulate a lot of stuff. So we'll see how it goes with the whole developing the dreadlocks and see if I can actually develop them and maintain them and keep them as long as I can. I don't know. I don't see myself really keeping them for a year. I don't know, because, you might get an opportunity for like another job and they might see them and might frown upon you having dreads and all that stuff. So, and that's another thing too. I kind of want to shed the myth of like people with dreads that they're, just like with the whole situation with the beard situation, like people with beards are dirty and all that stuff. I kind of want to shed that myth with dreads, like that people with dreads are lazy and they don't want to do nothing with their life and all that stuff. And it's like, that's the opposite with me, I mean, I just want to kind of like shed that and put that myth to bed. So just come with me on this like dread journey, man. Like I said, I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to keep up the dreads. It's all new to me. It's gonna be some triumphs and some fails for sure, because like I said, this is something this is uncharted territory for me. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know. So if y'all see me looking rough on camera or me posting videos and I'm looking like this, there's a reason for it. So with that, I'm out. Peace.